Are you managing inventory across Odoo and Shopify manually? Let me show you how to automatically sync those inventory changes so your online store always reflects accurate quantities without double data entry. Let's jump into this automation.
First, the workflow monitors your Odoo system every hour for any inventory updates. Whether you're receiving new stock, processing fulfillments, or making manual adjustments in Odoo, this captures those quantity changes automatically. Next, MESA takes the updated product from Odoo and finds the matching item in Shopify using the SKU. It retrieves the exact product variant details, ensuring we're updating the correct item even if you have multiple variants of the same product. Finally, the available quantity from Odoo gets pushed directly to Shopify's inventory levels. Your online store instantly reflects the accurate stock count, preventing oversells and keeping customers informed about real availability. Say goodbye to inventory discrepancies. So get MESA, the AI automation platform that helps you do more with less effort. Get started today with templates like this one or build your own workflows from scratch. Make it happen at getmesa.com.